Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to link Instagram to Zendesk. All right. So first up, open up your Zendesk admin. In here, just go to the left panel and click on messaging under channels. Now in here, just go ahead and go to the top right, click on add channel. Now you'll find Instagram direct. Just click on it. Now it says here, continue with Instagram. But first up, open up your Instagram app. Okay. You won't be able to do this on the web version. Okay, you will have to do this step in the Instagram app. So open up your Instagram, go to the settings right here at the top right, and then go ahead and find messages and story replies. Okay, in here, tap on message request. Now go and find allow access to messages. All right, tap on it. This one right here basically approves access for Facebook pages, Meta Business Suite, Manager app, Business Manager, so on and so forth, and most importantly, third-party apps such as Zendesk right here to view and send messages directly from your Zendesk dashboard. Okay, so once that's turned on, let's go ahead and go back to the Zendesk admin, and here click on continue with Instagram. Okay, wait for the pop-up to load, and in here just go ahead and continue with the Facebook account or Facebook page that got the Instagram connected in it. Okay, continue. Just wait for it. As you can see here are the list of the necessary permissions. Just go ahead and enable it all, and then in here you have Instagram profile. So click on the drop down and select the specific Instagram profile or the Facebook page. Okay, and once that's done, just hit on next. Wait for it to load. Now in here, just go ahead and add in your channel name. It says here, help admins find it in your channel list. So maybe I'm just going to go ahead and add in made for money gram. Okay, hit on add channel. Wait for it. And as you can see here, channel has been added. You can keep customizing if you want. Okay, and there you have it. You can now go ahead and click on save settings or configure the message as button. All right, hit on save. It says here saved. You have successfully updated your Instagram direct integration. And that is it. That's how you link Instagram to Zendesk. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.